24 numbers, 24 days of December 2021, the days before Christmas. The very beautiful presentation, informative and innovative, is being shown on a building of Bolzano. The interesting thing of this number is when the number is removed, under the number a picture of the province of Bolzano is shown, which really shows the mountains, the snow or some building. It's a very interesting presentation in Bolzano. It is actually to welcome the Christmas. It is 3rd of the December today. 2 numbers from the windows of this building have been removed, and tomorrow, the 3rd December, the 3rd number from the windows will be removed. It's a very interesting really, and this presentation is being done for last many years. This building is in the center of the province of city of Bolzano, the province of Bolzano. Every time a number is removed, something new is discovered in the shape of a photo. This is center in front of me, and the building is situated 50 meters from the center Piazza Walter of the Bolzano. The right side is the center of the city, and if we move always to the right side is the central post office of the city, and the left side of the building is Piazza Mazzini. It's a very interesting depiction to welcome the December. Let's see tomorrow for the 3rd December. Take care. I'm Mezanroshan from Bolzano.